Welcome back and welcome to Kate's Corner. Time for a science lesson. This lesson in particular is over magnets and how they work. You probably have some of these on your fridge magically holding up photos or invitations. Well, all these different shaped and sized magnets are not magic. Their somewhat magical powers are all thanks to their electrons spinning in the same direction, which then creates an invisible force called magnetism. This invisible force pulls on metals such as iron and nickel. These objects that are pulled by magnets are called magnetic, and objects that are not pulled are called non-magnetic. Some examples of non-magnetic things are wood, plastic, and even some metals like copper or gold. Now, the ends of magnets are where the magnetism is the concentrated the most and therefore the strongest. We call these ends the poles. There is the north and south pole for the magnet. If you put the north and south pole next to each other, they pull or attract each other. If you were to put two north poles or two south poles together, you would have a hard time getting them to touch because like poles repel. There are examples of magnets everywhere. The Earth is even a very big magnet, even with its own poles. But don't worry, magnetic objects don't get stuck to these poles because the Earth's magnetic force is not very strong. The magnets on your fridge are actually even stronger than the Earth's. That's going to do it for this edition of Kate's Corner, but be sure to tune in to Kate's Corner this Wednesday, in which we are doing a science experiment that shows liquids' effects on magnets. But until then, 5 News at 5:30 starts next.